Today, we're diving into something super important: how to build a financial future that isn't just stable, but actually thrives in the face of all the crazy changes headed our way by 2026. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to Deep Dive AI. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Check out our blog in the description for more details.
All right, so let's get right to the heart of it. Why are we even talking about this now? Well, we're looking at what we're calling the 2026 income problem, and honestly, it's something that really needs to be on everyone's radar.
Just take a second and really let that sink in. It's a tough question, I know, but it might be the most important one we talk about today. What would you actually do? How would you cover your bills next month?
And here's the thing, this isn't just some made-up scary story. By 2026, with how fast AI and automation are moving, the job market is going to look really different. And counting on just one single paycheck, well, it's becoming a riskier and riskier bet.
Okay, but this is not all doom and gloom. Not at all. In fact, tackling this whole thing head-on can unlock some amazing benefits that go way, way beyond just your bank account. I mean, just look at this. Obviously, there's the financial safety net, right? That's huge. But it's also about boosting what you can earn, getting the freedom to maybe chase a passion project, and just sleeping better at night, Less stress about a potential layoff. It's about security, growth, and feeling fulfilled. And this really gets to the core of it. This is about a mindset shift. It's about you grabbing the steering wheel of your own financial life instead of just being a passenger. It's not just security, it's empowerment, pure and simple. So you're probably asking, okay, great, but how do I actually do this? Let's break down the tools you have. Think of it like you're an artist, and these are the different colors on your palette. You get to mix and match them to create your own masterpiece. So this chart lays it out perfectly. Most of us know earned income. That's your job, your salary. It's stable, it's predictable. Then there's investment income, which is awesome for long-term growth. But the real game changer, the one that can truly transform things, is that last one, passive income. This is where you put in the work up front, and then it keeps earning for you. That's where you find real freedom and scale. Let's really drill down on this for a second, because it's so important. With active income, you're literally trading your time for money. And guess what? You only have so much time in a day. It has a ceiling. Passive income completely shatters that ceiling. It's about building something, an asset, that makes money for you, while you sleep, while you're on vacation. That's the key to real growth. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now let's get to the best part, the how. Here's a real step-by-step blueprint you can actually follow.
This is where we stop just talking about it and start doing it. So are you ready to actually start weaving that financial safety net? Let's go.
This 5-step plan is your roadmap. First, you've got to assess. Be brutally honest. Where are you right now? Then, identify. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Don't try to become a day trader if you hate spreadsheets. Step 3 is so important. Test. Start small. Don't go build a massive 10-hour course. Maybe just test the waters with a 1-hour workshop. Once you find something that works, you automate it. And finally, reinvest. You take the money you're making and pour it back in to grow the things that are actually working. That's how this snowball starts rolling downhill. Now, having a plan is one thing, but doing it without completely burning yourself out, that's a whole other challenge. So let's have a quick reality check. This is about being strategic. And here's some of the smartest advice out there. First off, don't quit your day job. That's your foundation. Next, focus on one new thing at a time. And please avoid what they call shiny object syndrome. Jumping from one new idea to the next every week. Find something that has potential for you and really commit to it. That's how you work smarter. And really, that brings us to the big takeaway here. You need to stop thinking of your income as a single faucet and start thinking of it like an investment portfolio. You wouldn't put all your money into one single stock, right? So I'll just leave you with this question. If you look at your own income portfolio today, how diversified is it, really? Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and for more details, check out our blog in the description.